Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this very exciting video of factorial equations, we are going to solve a nice factorial equation x plus 1 factorial equal to x power 5 minus x over 10. While solving this problem, we'll use factorial notation, recursive formula, algebraic manipulation, and we'll conclude our result by logical arguments. So let's get started by writing domain of any factorial equation first, then we will take up our equation. So if x factorial is written over there, that means x must be greater than or equal to 0 where x belongs to integer. As per our problem where we have used x plus 1 factorial, so domain would be x greater than or equal to minus 1 for every x belongs to z or integer. Now I will multiply our given equation by 10. So we will get 10 times x plus 1 factorial equal to x power 5 minus x. Now recursive formula. So we know that recursive formula is something which is related with, let me write n factorial, then n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial and so on. If it is useful, then I can take this series up to n minus 5 factorial, 6 factorial. So our equation can be written as the LHS I am talking about 10 times x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2 factorial. See, decrement by 1, x plus 1 minus 1, so x minus 1, so x minus 1, minus 1, so x minus 2. RHS. I can take x common, so I will take x common. So what would be left? X power 4 minus 1. Alright, now we'll use the difference of square formula. So let me write here a square minus b square can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So our equation will convert into RHS would be equal to x times x square whole square. So I can write x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. So I will write x square minus 1. Now you will see here in the second parenthesis, I will use again. Here I will use again difference of square. So RHS will come out x times x square plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, LHS is, let me write one time, 10 times x plus 1, x into x minus 1 times x minus 2 factorial. Okay, now whatever we can cancel, we will cancel. See, x plus 1 cancelled out, x will be cancelled out, x minus 1 will be over. Now while cancelling this, ultimately we are dividing, so it should not be the solution. Okay, so x is equal to plus 1, minus 1 and 0. You have to check over there and they will not satisfy equation. Okay, you want to check, you can check x equal to 0 if I am putting, let me write here x equal to 0. If I am putting 0, then it will become 1 factorial, 0 over 0. So 1 factorial is 1, right hand side is 0. So it cannot be. X equal to 1. So 2 factorial is LHS, that means 2. And right hand side is still we are getting 0. So it is not matching. Now if you will put x equal to minus 1, so left hand side will become 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 factorial, which is 1. And here if you will put, you won't get 1 because minus 1 whole power 5, that would be negative. So minus 2 over 10. So all of the three values, minus 1 and plus 1, are not the solution of given equation. So we cannot, it is not equal to these values. So we have cancelled. What is left? X minus 2 factorial equal to x square plus 1. Now I will write x minus 2 equal to, suppose y. This is my substitution. Okay. So x will come out y plus 2. Let me write here x would be equal to y plus 2. So let's put the value. So 10 times y factorial equal to x square. So it will become y plus 2 whole square. So I will write y square plus 4y plus 4 plus 1. So 5. Okay. I have written here x square first, which is y square plus 4y plus 4. Then added 1. So it will convert it. Have y square plus 4y plus 5. Alright. Let me write here y square plus 4y plus 5. Now I will use again recursive formula in this place. So I will write 10 times y minus 1 factorial equal to y square plus 4y plus 5. Now divide both sides by y. Y is not again the solution of this equation. X minus 2 equal to y was our substitution. Okay. So I am putting dividing by y. So 10 times y minus 1 factorial equal to y plus 4 plus 5 over y. Now conclusion from LHS and RHS. If you will see left hand side, factorial cannot be negative. So y must be greater than or equal to 1. Important point. This is first point. Second point, from observation or logical argument, you can conclude it is left hand side would be positive integer. So right should also match. Now come to right hand side. See, it is already integer. Y plus 4 would be always integer. So we have to check only 5 over y. Once y will exceed 5, then 5 over that number will be fraction. So y should be less than or equal to 5. This is first argument from the RHS. Now consider another argument, which is if it is not multiple of 5. See, it is less than 5. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y cannot be 0. Now it should be the factor of 5. Y should be the factor of 5. So for factor of 5, we can write y must be equal to 1 and 5. So 2, 3, 4 will be rejected. Okay. Now y equal to 1 and y equal to 5. There are two possibilities, y1 and y equal to 5. So let's check both the values. So I am writing this equation, this one. Let me write y equal to 1. What will happen to LHS? 10 times 1 factorial equal to 1 square plus 4 plus 5. So it will become 10. Left hand side is 10. 1 factorial is 1. So it is true. Y equal to 1 is true. Let us check y equal to 5 also. Okay. So left hand side would be 10 times 5 factorial, which is very big number because 5 factorial is 120. So it is 1200. RHS won't match. Let us find out 5 square plus 4 times 5 plus 5. 25 plus 20, 45 plus 5, it is 50. So it is not matching. So 5 will be rejected, 1 will be accepted. Now if you will put x minus 2 equal to 1, let me write here x minus 2 equal to 1. So x will come out 3, which is our solution for the given factorial equation. Let us verify this value. X equal to 3. Let's verify. So 3 plus 1 factorial, put here x equal to 3, equal to 3 power 5 minus 3 over 10. So it will become 4 factorial. 3 power 5 is 243. 81 times 3, 243 minus 3 over 10. So it is 240 over 10. So it is 24. LHS is 4 factorial, which is 24. True. That means x equal to 3 is our true solution for the given equation. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for giving time. Bye-bye. Till next video, we'll meet again. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.